Hello guys, welcome to Math and Algebra Solution channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how to find the derivative of exponential function. But just before we get started, I want to encourage you to subscribe to this channel, like the video, share the link with your friends. Thank you very much for your support. Alright, let's get started. Now let's look at the first question. We have to find the derivative of exponential to the power of x. So all we have to do is simply write this exponential to the power of x times the derivative of the power, okay, dx of x, okay, so this will be equals to exponential to the power of x. So if you differentiate x, that will give you 1, so this times 1, which gives you the exact value. So that is the answer to this question. I hope that makes some sense. Alright, let's look at the next question, question 2. So to take the derivative of 7 to the power of x, you simply need to write 7 to the power of x multiplied by the natural logarithm of 7, which is length 7. Okay, so this is the answer to this question. I hope it makes some sense. Alright, question number 3. To take the derivative of this function, the derivative of course is negative sign, so first of all we write negative sign, then write the exact value you have in the parentheses, okay, multiplied by the derivative of the content of the parentheses, which is exponential x plus 1. So this will be equals to negative sign exponential to the power of x plus 1 times, so if we differentiate this exponential to the power of x plus 1, that's still going to give us exponential to the power of x. So finally our answer is going to be negative exponential to the power of x sine parenthesis exponential x plus 1. So this is the answer to this question, and I hope it makes some sense. Alright, let's take the final question. So all we have to do now, simply write exponential 3x minus 2, and then you take the derivative of the power, which is 3x minus 2. So if we differentiate this will give us just 3. So finally we are going to have 3 exponential 3x minus 2. So this is the answer to this question. So if you find this video useful, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like the video, and also share with your friends. Thank you very much for your support. See you in our next video. Bye bye.